The opposition is getting closer and closer. We've already lost a few good men. Their presence is huge, so it's time to circle the wagons. We're going to hit them, and we're going to hit them hard, and they're not going to see us coming. Our intel has intercepted some high-profile traffic chatting, so we know their every move. So we're going to have to create a diversion. Are we all agreed? Good. So this is how it's going to break down. You guys are going to flank left, you guys are going to lay down suppressive fire, and I'm going to take the shotgun approach. Lock and load, ladies.